Although there are 4 categories for engagement, today we're only going to talk about 2, and that's agentic and cognitive engagement. Looking at the overall agentic engagement data, it shows only 61% are somewhat and slightly engaged, compared to 38% feel as though that they are engaged and highly engaged. This is why we feel this is an area in which we can grow. Okay, looking at the data, we have about 33% that shows that during class that they can ask questions. And we have a lower number percentage at the bottom where students let their teacher know their interests, what their interests are, students can tell the teacher what they like and don't like, and offer suggestions about how to make the class better. And I would like to reiterate that this is a lower percentage of students who answer the questions for the survey.